What is up, everybody? Chlorine King here. Thanks for tuning in for another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to calibrate a new Hayward salt cell to an existing Hayward Aqua Plus automation system, so we can get that thing up and running as soon as possible versus waiting that 24 hours to calibrate itself. So let me go ahead and show you, and we'll get started. All right, so we got the new S340 turbo cell in place. I really like this with the new sight window. It makes knowing when to clean it much simpler. Nice design there, but that's not what we're here for. What I'm here to show you is how to calibrate this to the automation system to get the salt system working immediately. So what we got to do is hit the menu button, and we want to keep pressing until we get to diagnostic. Hit the right arrow, and you can see the stats here on the cell. What we want to do is hit the right arrow one more time, and now we're at the instant salt, and what it'll start doing is counting down usually pretty quickly if it's way off, but right now it's actually reading a pretty accurate number. So once that stops in place, which really is right where we're at now, it's not moving a whole lot, we just go ahead and hit the plus button, and now the system saved that salt reading. So now to verify that, go to default menu, want to go over to that, and now you can see the salt reading there is, right at 4100. It's still making some little adjustments because I just added a bunch of salt. All right, so that is how you calibrate a newly installed salt cell to a Hayward automation system. So I hope this video helped you guys out. Stay tuned for more, like, subscribe, and we'll see you next video. Have a great day.